Hello, I'm Loretta Jones, CEO and founder of New York Gold Tours. And today I just wanted to let you know on Monday, key vision strategy, smart tools for vision statement creation are coming to help provide you with vision strategy. A New York Gold Tours proprietary way to reach your highest potentials. A step-by-step guide to making a vision statement. In 2014, I brainstormed and dreamt up the idea and the phrase for vision statement. And shortly later, I came up with vision strategy. According to a Copilot search, the practice of vision strategy has really taken off. People see the importance of it. To go along with mission statement is what I intended. And I believe you won't find the right way, the best way to get vision strategy at anywhere other than New York Gold Tours. So like and subscribe here and follow along or check my website for the latest. All things for reaching higher potential. Vision strategy. From the seeing to the tangible. Enjoy. Bonus tip beforehand, you can do a vision statement for self, goal, project, team, organization, and world. Start thinking about where you are. Essentially, literally, and figuratively. And tune in Monday. And once you have the vision statement down, you can do it according to SMART topics disciplines. You can choose things like energize or dark matter or focus. And you can further your vision strategy statement with the study topic discipline that can bring you to new levels of learning, adaptation, and potentials.